Hey, what's happening my friend, it's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through different areas of what a landing page is and where you use them and why you should really be using a landing page for your internet business. So if you can see on the screen here, you can see that this is the conversion blueprints, and what it starts off with is an opt-in page, pre-frame page. So this is pretty much your opt-in page and landing page, or you can pretty much call them both your landing pages. But what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to have this in place instead of sending someone straight to a product sales page, because if you just send people to a product sales page, they're more than likely just going to bounce and leave. And if you're doing affiliate marketing like what we do on CameronLimitless.com, is if you don't own that page, you can't really control it, so it's not a very good thing to send traffic there because you won't be able to manage traffic. So what you do is you build a landing page or an opt-in page, so you can build a list of people all interested in your idea, product or passion. And I'm going to show you some variations and different ideas of what these pages look like. So what you can do is build an email list, and then you can communicate to people and take them to your website and things like this here. So what else you can do on a landing page is you can put in retargeting pixels, and you can retarget people based on where they go on your landing page. So if you have two-step landing page and things like that there. So this is an example here of a landing page that you can make. So say that this is it says here it's a full push cocktails recipe that will impress your guests, and then if they click here, you're going to be giving away a download. So it says where should I send the recipes, and then they enter their name and email, their email and name, and it says send me their recipes. So this is where you want to send all your paid traffic to, and even free traffic, before they're on your email list. So you want to be capturing people's information so that you can communicate to them later on with ideas and things like this here about your product, services and things like that, your ideas. So this is where you can collect people's email and where you send all your traffic from. You send all your traffic to. So this is the next idea. So you can actually build a page that looks something like this here. So you can say personal brand guide, brand building guide, 12 simple steps to building yourself up, get the guide. So this is something that you can give away for free in exchange of an email address on your opt-in page, landing page. And you can give away a free PDF, a video, an audio, a training, these different things I'm going to show you here in a second. So in this one they're giving away a guide, this one they're giving away recipes, so this can be like in the form of a PDF. Then on this here one, you can see here it says free webinar training reveals the 4 most important pages on your website and how to tweak them to triple your conversions. Claim your spot now. So then they can enter their email now, and this is like a training webinar which has a better perceived perception in the marketplace right now. So it's a good idea, say if you're doing any amount of different things, you know, you really want to pick what your ideal customer would love and give it away for free on the landing page. So here they're giving away a training, and you could do the training or things like that there. Here they're giving away the guide, which is like a PDF, same as here. And this one, now this one's a little bit of a different one. This one they're actually saying enter to win a free all-inclusive deep spa fishing incursion for 2. So it's like a 2-day trip, it says, things like this here. So you see this happen all the time where, you know, you enter to win a contest and you can give away a holiday. Now the stealthy little strategy with this here is that when you give away a holiday, what you can do on the thank you page, so say they want to win, they enter their email address and they say enter their sweepstakes, boom, they go to the next page, which is the thank you page. And on the thank you page you can maybe put an affiliate product, and depending on how much traffic you're driving, the affiliate product can generate you the revenue to do the giveaway, plus you end up with a huge email list as well. So that's really cool idea here. So doing a free giveaway, like a contest, where people enter into the contest, and then out of all the emails that you generate, you can give away a free all-inclusive deep spa fishing training or something like that there. Now this is an example of something that I made, and it says it's a free video exposes weird secret that lets you take these 2 steps to affiliate success, and then they can go get instant access, and boom, it says enter your best email below to learn how, and then they can get instant access, and then they go to the thank you page, and I'll show you the thank you page here in a second. Now this is the very first landing page that you want to be sending all your free traffic to, because if you're not sending your traffic to a page similar to this here, you'll be wasting money on your advertising. So it's very important to build a landing page like this to be able to generate some emails and names, and Also, you're going to want to put a retargeting pixel on this page so that you can send retargeting advertising. You can do retargeting advertising to people who land on this page and then bounce and don't give you their email. So this is another page which is a little bit different. So this is a landing page which is more focused on a direct response marketing angle, which this is as well. This is the direct response marketing. This is more focused on, now you have someone on your email list, you don't really want to be sending them to a landing page to collect their email again, because you're really going to, you know what I mean, you don't need them on your email now because they're already on your email list. So you're going to want to send them to a page similar to this here. So for an example, they've just opted in and you sent them an email, and then you sent them an email and they're coming here. So if you can look in the blueprints, you sent them this email and they're going to this page, which can be the pre-frame or like landing page. So this is a landing page, this is a landing page, and you can like do a little pre-framer thing here. So you can embed like a video or whatever, but it says here, become a fitness leader and get Fit Camp certified. So if they click that there, it's $99. Then you can send them to, say, the checkout page with a little place where they can put in their card details and stuff like that there. Or you can link out to an affiliate product, things like that, and all this kind of stuff is all customizable. So he says power up your career and change lives. Now you can see that really in this page you don't want to be asking for email address or anything like that. This here kind of stuff, you kind of want to steer away from that. You kind of want to just have it, even you can see here it says about courses, syllabus. You don't want this kind of stuff. You want the page to be like this, and there's only really one option to move forward. So here's another example here, and for my recommendation, really this is more like an opt-in page, but you want to keep no menus at the top, and you want to have, you know, just a headline, sub-headline, and then you could put in like your little video here, and then a little button, and you can say like sign up now, boom, and they can go to the next step. And you can send people emails going to pages like this and variations of pages like this here. Here's another example as well. So say you want to send someone to this here, and it says you deserve the home of your dreams. So then you can send them to a page something like this here, and then it has different homes. Now what you don't want to do is send any paid traffic to a page like this here. It's because most people, when they see this page and they're not ready to buy, they'll bounce and leave. Where if you send them to a page like this here, and they can opt in for their free training. Maybe it's on how to find the best housing listings, and then you can do that training on this here webinar. And what they'll do if they come to this page, they're more than likely to give you your email address. So say you can get like 20 to 30% conversion rate on this page. So every 100 people come to this page, 20 to 30 of them give you their email address. So then you've got their email now, and you'll be able to send them emails taking them to pieces of value. And this could be something of value, which is like featured house listings and different houses or something like that there. Or it could be different products and things like that here with stuff. But really you just want to focus on one thing. So here's an example of when someone opts into this page, I deliver the video. So it says watch the video to see the steps, and it says 2-step formula. So they can watch that video and then they can click this button and they go to the game plan. Now you can see here that there's not really anywhere else that they can click on to go anywhere else apart from here where it says see the game plan, and then they go to the next step. So this is the different types of landing pages, and really the main thing I want to get clear in this video so that you totally understand is that there's no real menu here. You know, there's no menus like a normal website. Like on this here, you can see that there's menus and things like that there. But really also you can have these types of menus, and when you click them, it'll take them to a certain part of the page on this page. And then what the main focus of this page is to really only give people one option to move forward, and this is a direct response marketing. So this is the way you want to start off your internet business, is you want to be sending people to an opt-in page, which is your landing page, and then on the thank you page it's like your little pre-frame page, and it's still like something similar where they only have one step. There's no menus or anything to click about, there's only one place to click, and it drives that one response. So this is what I had for you in this video, my friend. I hope you liked it, I hope you understood, you know, what is a landing page, and I've left a great product that'll help you be able to build these types of pages below. You can go and see all these different templates. It's fully customizable, and it's what I use for myself at the minute. So if you want interested in having a look at that page builder to be able to start to build out your own landing pages, I've left the link below, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Peace.